I'm about to take you through our beautiful 2025 collection of Blockout roller blind fabrics by range and by color, and I can assure you that none of these fabrics will poison your kids. They will not admit any harmful VOC gases into your family home. They are Green Guard Gold certified, Okio Tech certified, they're PVC free and they're lead free, but most importantly, they are not the copies, and I cannot stress that enough. Let's get straight into it. So this is our Charlotte collection. Hey Siri, close bedroom roller. Charlotte is my daughter. It's got a satin finish. It's easy to clean. It's budget friendly, and it's also mold and mildew resistant. So Bali is my go-to plain fabric. It's got a good thick insulated coating that reduces sound. It lays flat on the table when we cut it, and it's also really easy to clean with the UniGuard fabric protection system. I'm very excited to introduce you to Nishi. It features this beautiful melange effect, which is the blending of two different colored fibers. It's got this beautiful, soft and luxurious texture. So welcome to Antigua. This will be my favorite range for 2025, and particularly the color Natural. You've got to see it to believe it. It's a beautiful textured fabric that gives a linen-like appearance in a beautiful, soft, soothing palette of colors. So Sanctuary fabric is one of those materials that just does enough without doing anything. It's kind of a semi-plain fabric, but it's got this three-dimensional multi-tone. The color Plaster is just one of those whites that just works with warms and cools, and it's really worth a look. Casada is new for 2025, and it has this beautiful vertical weave which will add this visual height to any interior. It's also a tonal fabric, so that means the backing color that you see from the outside is similar to the front color, so it's ideal for a back rolling situation like this one here. So Bond is a very special fabric and is new to iSeekBlinds in 2025. It features the same linen texture on the front as what it does the back, and because of its lack of an acrylic coating, it also uses 75% less chemicals in the manufacturing process. So the Lenesque range of fabric has always been popular on the iSeekBlinds website for several years now. It was the first years ago to bring this beautiful linen texture into their roller blind fabrics, and also have an awesome range of colors.